Imagine being asked this classic question in English exams or language proficiency tests. Describe your hometown. It's not just about answering, it's about painting a vivid picture with words. Join me on my YouTube channel as we explore the art of crafting a captivating response that showcases your language skills, personal experiences, and cultural insights. Let's master this fundamental topic together and excel in your English journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more language tips and exam strategies. When answering the question, can you describe your hometown? In the English speaking test, there are certain rules and guidelines you can follow to provide a clear, effective, and organized response. Here are some rules to keep in mind. Rule number 1. Introduction 1-2 sentences. Start by introducing your hometown and its location. Keep it concise and clear. Example, I'd be glad to describe my hometown. Its hometown name, situated in location, and it holds a special place in my heart. Rule number 2. Physical description 1-2 sentences. Briefly mention the town's physical attributes such as its size, surroundings, and landmarks. Example, it's a small town surrounded by mountains, and it's known for its famous feature. Rule number 3. Community and lifestyle 1-2 sentences. Highlight the community vibe and general lifestyle of your hometown. Example, the people in my hometown are really friendly, and the lifestyle is busy with a strong focus on family activities. Rule number 4. Notable places or features 1-2 sentences. Mention any significant places, attractions, or events in your hometown. Example, we have a charming town square where festivals take place, offering a glimpse into the local culture. Rule number 5. Personal connection 1 sentence. Share a brief personal connection or memory associated with your hometown. Example, growing up there, I have fond memories of experience, making it truly unforgettable. Rule number 6. Conclusion 1 sentence. Summarize your overall feelings or thoughts about your hometown. Example, overall, my hometown holds a special place in my heart due to its attributes, and I'm proud to call it home. Here's a concise guide on how to answer the Describe Your Hometown question effectively. First model, basic response. This style provides a straightforward and concise answer. It's a good choice when you want to give an overview without going into too much detail. Example, sure, I'd be happy to. I'm from a small town called Smithsville. It's located in the countryside and is known for its tranquil environment. There are only a few thousand people living there, so it's quite close-knit. Detailed response. This style involves providing more information and elaborating on various aspects. It's great when you want to showcase your ability to describe things in depth. Absolutely. I come from a town named Greenfield, which is nestled in the heart of the countryside. It's a picturesque place with lush green fields and rolling hills. The town is characterized by its friendly community and strong sense of unity. We have a charming town center with a few local shops, a quaint library, and a weekly farmers market where locals gather to buy fresh produce and catch up. One of the standout features of Greenfield is a beautiful lake that's perfect for boating and picnics. Overall, it's a peaceful and idyllic place to grow up in. Comparative response. This style involves comparing your hometown to something else, such as a city or a different type of environment. It's effective when you want to highlight the unique characteristics of your hometown. Certainly, my hometown is called Riverside, and it's a suburban area just outside the city. It's quite different from the hustle and bustle of city life. The streets are lined with trees, and there are numerous parks and playgrounds for families to enjoy. Unlike the city, Riverside has a more relaxed pace, which I find quite refreshing. It's a place where people know their neighbors and where you can escape the noise of the city without being too far away from its conveniences. Emotional response. This style involves sharing personal feelings and memories related to your hometown. It's great for conveying a sense of attachment and nostalgia. I'd love to. My hometown is a charming little place called Harmonyville. It holds a special place in my heart because I have countless childhood memories there. The town has this cozy feeling to it, with old-fashioned houses and a central square where events are held throughout the year. The local bakery still bakes the best bread I've ever tasted, and whenever I visit, it feels like stepping back in time to a simpler, more peaceful era. Future outlook response. This style involves discussing the present and future changes happening in your hometown. It's a good choice when you want to show your ability to speculate and discuss trends. Certainly, my hometown is named Brightsville. It's a town that's currently undergoing a lot of positive changes. The local government has been investing in infrastructure and community projects, making it an exciting time to be there. New cafes, art galleries, and recreational facilities are popping up, bringing a vibrant energy to the town. I'm really looking forward to seeing how Brightsville continues to evolve in the coming years. Practicing these different response styles can help you become a more versatile and expressive speaker